Hey guys, welcome back. So this year Samsung is doing pretty well with its Galaxy S22 devices, which are selling like a hotcakes, where they have already got over 1 million pre-orders in South Korea, and even noticeable growth can also be seen in markets like India this time. Now despite this, there are some issues and things that Samsung isn't doing right, on which we'll be talking about further in this video. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to get more daily updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. So 2022 is going pretty rough for Samsung. Just after the launch of the S22 series, they are surrounded by multiple problems, where at first they got throttling over thousands of applications from Play Store, due to which Samsung is even being sued right now because of the GOS scandal, and they are also banned from the Geekbench website, which makes this situation even more serious. Few days back, they have already given an official statement upon this, and the good thing is Samsung has even started rolling out an OTA update starting from South Korea, solving this issue. The update will give users an option to run the S22 devices on full performance mode. You can see the complete changelog in this picture. So from now, users will be able to taste the full power of the S22 series officially, and even we have seen the S22 Ultra's GOS of a video in which the device does increase the performance a lot, and in gaming the phone was able to increase 10 to 20 extra frames, which is pretty insane. Of course, turning the GOS off will eat battery a lot, so it is up to you whether you save battery or wanna feel the raw power instead. And the good thing is Samsung says even if you unlock the CPU for full potential, the device will manage the temperatures in certain limit. Now many users on social media are complaining about the delivery of these devices, and most of them are pretty upset right now because Samsung hasn't even completed the pre-orders yet, but the company has released a statement addressing all the issues and says this is all because of supply chain issue. It will take some time to completely fulfill the orders right now, and it does affect a negative on company's reputation, where Samsung is not even providing the expected delivery date to buyers. Moving on, this month we'll see some budget Galaxy phones launching at a single event, where Samsung will announce the Galaxy A13, A33, A53 and the bigger A73, where users will see for the first time budget smartphones without charger inside the box. Yeah guys, this is something we won't appreciate, but it is happening with these devices. Samsung has already started removing the chargers from the Galaxy F23, which recently launched in India, where the price of the smartphone is already high considering the specifications. But you guys let me know what are your thoughts upon this in the comment section. If you enjoy watching this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel as well. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.